So, welcome to this pre-market analysis. I'm recording my pre-market analysis right now. So, let's start from. I think we'll start from gold because I have some analysis on gold. And gold overall, we can all see the structure of gold is very bullish. We have a very bullish market structure, and this is the 15-minute time frame, by the way. So what I'm waiting for right now is that we have a breakup block around here, and price just pushed through it. And the market right now, this is the first inducement of us structural liquidity that validates this breakup. So what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for price to drop down there, and when we get down there, I'll be looking for confirmations to be a buyer on gold. So that's the first trade that I have that's going on that I'll be watching this week. And the second trade on crude oil, let's start from the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame, so price is currently reacting from this daily time frame resistance area. So this resistance area is on the daily time frame. So price is reacting from that, and on the 4-hour we have this bearish this I bought to here, and the market starts selling there. So let me just remove it. So we have this bearish market structure and break of structure here. So we have this bearish situation here, but the reason why I won't be like too focused on this area is that price is currently around here. Price is currently on this resistance here, so that will be very hard for me to take any sales from there. Price is likely going to go bullish, and we have this morning star confirmation on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to remove crude oil from the pairs that I'm looking at to trade from, and wait till we have the very good confirmation to the downside. Wait till price breaks here before I start buying crude oil. So um, on TJ, we have this currently going on TJ. This is the first 4 hours on TJ, and the price is very bullish right now on TJ. Price is super bullish on TJ. So, and the price has retraced back into this. If you look at this range, this was the range that was responsible for breaking structure here, and it led up. I was inside this price throughout yesterday, throughout the time it was happening, and right now price is retracing back to a fib level that is very like, now price is buying back again. So we are looking to buy this market right now, and this is the 4-hour time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, actually I could have gotten inside that trade, but because of this massive drop, I wasn't able to enter this trade. I'll wait for confirmation. I even gave confirmation, I wasn't able to. So on the 15-minute time frame, we have this first market structure shift that we have right now. We have this market structure shift that we have right now, and I'll be waiting for price to retrace back into this area to continue the longs, because we are going to go all the way here. It's all the way that we are going, and the market is just changing from bearish momentum into a bullish momentum. So we have this change of structure now. We are waiting for another buying opportunity from around there, so we can be buyers. So we'll see how that one goes. And on Euro GBP, what's the 4-hour looking like on Euro GBP? On Euro GBP, we have something like this. On Euro GBP, okay, we have this bearish momentum that we've been. This is a 4-hour, by the way. We have this bearish momentum that we've been selling. I've been selling this since like November last year. I've been selling it, and right now price is around here, and this space is like a daily time frame resistance, which is an order block. So I'm waiting for market structure to break. I'm waiting for the market to break structure upwards. After breaking structure upwards, then we'll start buying. And look, right now we are still in the downtrend, and this is the external structure area. But inside here, the market has started this uptrend right here that the market is now respecting. So we'll see if the market should break up this or come back and give me like a lower time frame entry. I would be interested in buying this market and pushing it to break here before we change overall. But whatever it does, that was what I'll be doing. And on the 15-minute time frame, this is how the structure looks like. The 4-hour structure is still yet to change to bullish. But on the 15-minute time frame, we've had a market structure shift here. We've had a break of structure. This is our MSS. This is our MSS. We have our break of structure here. We have this. We can use this as our break of structure. I have this as our break of structure, and after this break of structure, this was the point of interest that was like responsible for breaking structure. So this particular cell, I could have sold this pair to here because this is an order block area on the higher time frame, and the market is still selling now. So I could have sold this pair to here before we start buying up here, but it has not happened here. So we'll see whatever happens. But I'm looking to be a buyer from here, hoping for the trend to this to go and break the trend. So that will be a buying from. So we have the market structure shift, we have we have this inducement here, we have this all this liquidity that the market is generating, and once we clear them and the market comes here, I'm going to look to buy. So that will be it for Euro UC and USDJPY. USDJPY on the 4 hour time frame is very bullish. Like we are very bullish on the higher time frame USDJPY. We are very bullish on USDJPY. And look at this whole leg. The market is looking to retrace into this area. But right now the market has found resistance around this 50% retracement level, and right now these levels are lower time frame area, because I still feel like the market is going to drop into this cheap discount before buying. That's the fib level. That's the 70 is 0.75% on the fib level. I still feel like the market is coming there. So that was the reason why when I had the sell set up to continue this sell momentum here, when I had, by the way, this is the 4 hour time frame. So on the 15-minute time frame, it's going to be a whole break of structure, market structure shift down, continuing the sell. You know what I'm saying? Continuing the sell. So if the market should come here, I'm going to sell, looking for the market to come and break here. But my take profit is going to be around here, and when we get here, I'll look to buy the market to change the trend, because this is the current trend right now and it's still bearish. Let's drop to the 15-minute time frame so you can see the current trend there on the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, look at this selling that is happening on the higher time frame. This is what it looks like on the 15-minute time frame. And on the 15-minute time frame, we have this here. We have this break of structure. We have this market structure. We have this break of structure. We have this inducement. We have this point of interest that we are looking to sell from. I don't just set limits, so I need to wait for confirmation. So I'm going to wait for confirmation around that area before I sell. And this is where I will be selling to. This area here, that's where I will be selling to. So let's see how it goes. And on Ethereum and BTC, I'm looking for a buy setup on Ethereum and BTC. I'm seeing a buy setup here on the 15-minute time frame, and even though the higher time frame is also bullish, so this buy setup is happening and correlating with this. This 15-minute time frame setup is happening and correlating with the higher time frame, and this is the 15-minute time frame. This is how it looks like. We have this on the 15-minute time frame. We have this area right here. Let's see this other block right here on the 15-minute time frame that was responsible for market. We have this market structure shift here, and we have the break of structure here, and we have our inducement. And when price gets back into this area, I'm going to be a buyer on that place. So that's what I'm looking for on Ethereum. And on BTC, it's the same. It's a similar setup, because the market is but on BTC, I have not seen a support area yet on BTC. So I'm going to be, just waiting for market to come down and give me an opportunity. So this is what the BTC chart is looking like. As we're speaking now, I just spotted a potential support area on the 15-minute time frame on BTC. I spotted this as we're speaking now. I spotted this on BTC. So we have the break of structure. We have the market structure shifts, which is this. Looks like it wants to brain. We have the market structure shift, and we have the break of structure right here. And this will be our inducement or structural liquidity, whatever you want to call it. This will be the structural liquidity, and the point of interest is right here. And we're looking to buy from here. I don't just jump into trades. I wait for confirmation. So I'll be waiting for confirmation to be a buyer around here, targeting. We have a lot of like areas that needs to be clear, but I have an area right here. I have an I have a breaker block right here, so I will not be targeting anything more than this area. I might even be targeting just this high and see what the market decides to do. If the market gives me another structure that is bullish, I will take it. But if it didn't, I'll just take my profit here. So that's it for my analysis on the pre-market analysis. See you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your friends, and check my socials. They are tagged